welcome back to another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hoping finding that solution that you're looking for. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy just like me and work through to that resolution. Now let's continue on. And that's it. I hope it's helped find you to that resolution that you're looking for. And if it did, please just take a moment, go down, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now, until next time, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.